Hello, everybody. This is Brandon Reacts TV, and today I have another Woody Woodpecker reaction. This one is going to be Beachnut from 1944. So, yeah, let's get into it.
Guess who?
I love that line.
Today we journey to the beach. What a delightful place to spend the day. Here one finds complete relaxation and is invigorated by the tang of the fresh salt air.
Okay, but yeah, I mean, oh, the right when I paused it, the water is gonna go over everybody. I was gonna say, like, yeah, it is, it's nice going on the beach, but like when there's a lot of people like that, I don't really like that. But that's how it is.
The rhythm of the surf, should we say, carries one away? Yes, I think.
Yeah, I think that's just what just happened. It carried everybody away. I was about to say, like, yeah, everybody disappeared. I hope they're okay. I brought them back. Okay, they're fine. They're fine.
For those who seek entertainment, there's the amusement pier where everything.
Okay.
Say, wonder why all the crowd.
Right.
Looks
what's
like
going
a fight.
on? Oh, that's Wally and Woody. Oh, Wally's giving it to him.
I guess you think you're trying to kill this turkey. Well,
he's trying to kill this turkey. Oh, Wally. I mean, we'll see why Wally's mad. He's really giving it to Woody, man. He's letting him have it. But I mean, hey, if Wally Walrus is angry, there has to be a reason. Or he's to the point where he's beating Woody up. I mean, there has to be a reason.
I am, and I tell you why. Today is my day off. So, as is my usual custom, I came to the beach.
Okay, he's gonna relax on the beach. That's cool, yeah. On your day off, that's a vibe. Right? He's not hurting anybody. He's just sleeping.
My body lies above
That's Woody. Woody. Oh, Woody! Right. If I was Wally, I would be angry too. Like, come on. Like, come on. You saw that there was something there. Like, walk over me or something. But come on. But no, I guess also in Woody's defense, right? His face was covered with the paper, so I'll give him that. I'll give him that where maybe he didn't see Wally, but okay, all right. Woody. Oh, Wally, come on. Woody's gonna retaliate. Okay, it looks like a nice cake. It looks like a good cake. He's putting cherries on it. A cherry on it. Woody. And that laugh. Okay. Oh, no. He's there. Oh, yeah. Yeah, as soon as he was, he was going towards Wally, I knew what was going to happen. Wow. Woody, you did that on purpose this time. The first time, I'll give it to you. Maybe you didn't see Wally, but this time you saw he was there, right? You could have gone around him, but no, and I get why, because Wally, he threw his surfboard and then he threw Woody, so Woody was going to retaliate. So Woody did that on purpose. Oh, but poor Wally, he's just trying to enjoy his day off and he can't. I understand why he's mad. I understand it. Oh, then he ruined the good cake. It looked like a very good cake. I mean,
My body lies above the ocean. My body lies above the sea. My body lies above the ocean.
Woody. Oh, that Woody, when he's singing like that, he gets me. Oh, it's hilarious. He has a real good voice, though. He sings real good. I'll give him that.
Bring back my body to me.
Okay, Woody. Okay. It's a real good song he's singing.
Bring back my body to me.
All right, Woody. Hey, bravo, Woody. Good. Oh, no. Woody. Oh, just leave Wally Walrus alone. He just wants to enjoy his day. Come on. Oh, Wally Walrus. Wow. You know, and then he's just, right? Wally Walrus is just, he's just, wherever Woody wants to walk, Wally is just in his way. I mean, oh, wow. Okay, no fires allowed on beach. You have a fire. No fires allowed. Woody, and then he's doing that right next to the sign, too, that says no fires allowed. Come on, Woody. Like, you can't defend yourself there. Ah! That's hilarious. There was sand in his eyes. It was like an hourglass, right? It's hilarious. Woody, right behind the the sign. Like, Woody, come on! If you're gonna start a fire, put it away from the. Do it away from the sign. Like, cause at that point you can't even defend yourself. You can't even say, "Oh, I didn't see the sign." Well, you're right behind it. Wow, he has a. That looks like a nice cake too. It looked like Wally's cake. Oh, come on! Poor Wally. Oh, I feel for him. But that was unintentional, though. But I mean, right? Like in Wally's defense, you're not supposed to have a fire, though. Right? Like, I get it. That one was unintentional. Woody didn't mean for all the smoke to go over there to Wally, but I mean, you're not supposed to have any fires, though. I was gonna put it out. I love how he opened it like it was a door, right? It was a little house. Oh, there you go. No fires allowed. Woody. Woody's like, well, how did that happen? It's not raining, is it? Oh, no, it was not any rain. It was Wally Walrus. Oh, it started another fire. Okay. Oh, no! Oh, come on. Wally Walrus cannot catch a break, man. Oh, wow. Wow, okay. Yeah, if I was Wally, I would be so mad. I mean, Woody didn't do that intentionally, but still, it's like you're still not supposed to have any fires on the beach, though, right? And then you ruined his little umbrella, right? Now all the sun's gonna, it's gonna go on Wally, so it's like, okay, we'll see what happens. So I could see, but this is the start of how he got mad. This is just the start of it. Oh, it's gonna destroy his chair. Oh, poor Wally. Woody, you stop it. This was your fault. You stop. Oh, now Wally's fighting back. Where did that fire hydrant come from? Wow. Yeah, no, I could see why Wally was so mad. I mean, right now I'm on Wally's side. I'm on Wally's side. Oh, that Woody. Wow, where's Woody? Where is he? He's outside. Woody, just stop it. Okay. Woody, how'd you get there? What's in his pants? How'd you get there, Woody? Right, Wally was thinking, like, how am I gonna stop this woodpecker? Oh, Woody, just stop it, please. Just leave Wally alone. He's not hurting anybody. Right? He just wants to enjoy his day. Like, just leave him alone. He's like, I don't know. That's Woody. Right? It took him a while. Oh, that's disrespectful, Woody. Don't peck him on the head like that. Oh, Woody, right? He was like... Right, I love how Wally was like, I'm out of ideas. Oh, then right, like he didn't realize who was there. It was Woody. And once he realized it, then Woody started pecking him on the head. Wow. Uh-oh, the pelican. What? How did Woody do that? All right. That was impressive, though. I mean, he went right from under the sand to he came out of the pelican. That was impressive, Woody. Wow. Yogi, yo-yo, your fortune inside. Seesaw, knows all. Okay, palms red and greased. Okay, why would you need them greased though? Missing woodpeckers located. Ah, no. This is a setup. Why would they put that there's missing woodpeckers, right? Right, like I mean, come on. This is definitely a setup. We'll see. Ring for service. Oh, okay, Wally. Well, that's a way to ring for service. I mean, oh, poor Wally. He didn't see it. He ran right into it. Oh, he's shaking. Okay. No one's here. Ah, okay, something's happening. Okay. Who is it? Ah, it's Woody. I knew this was a setup. As soon as I saw that there was a, woodpeckers located, like, no, this is right. Because why would they put that? That's just so convenient to put. Because they know if they put that, Wally's gonna go in. Like, hey, yeah, I'm looking for a woodpecker. All right, it should be interesting. Oh, his head was twisting.
To bombardier to navigator.
What?
Navigator to crew.
What are you doing,
Prepare for
Woody?
safe landing. That is all.
Okay, then. Roger. Oh, it's a fighter jet. Okay. The hand, okay.
Fat boy, wish to ask Yogi.
What? Wait, I'm gonna go back. Did he call him fat boy? Woody.
Fat boy, wish
Yeah.
to ask Yogi.
Woody, you didn't have to call him that. I mean, he's a walrus. He's supposed to be fat, right?
Question.
Yeah. Where is that little redhead? Where did he go? Where is
You're
he?
talking to him. He's right in front of you.
That's a tuppy.
That's a
Yogi
tuppy.
must consult stars.
Oh, no. Woody. He must conduct. Well, there are the stars. He must consult the stars. There are the stars coming from Wally's head. Wow. Oh man, wow. Yeah, I could see why he was beating Woody up there. Now I could definitely see why. I don't blame him. He's in there. Okay. Right, and I love how the stars actually told him, like, oh, he's in there.
He's in there.
Yeah, okay. No, he's not.
Goody.
No, it's not goody.
Open the curtain and I'll grab him.
Wally, Wally, how do you not know that that's Woody you're talking to? Come on. I get it. It's a good disguise, but still, you could see his face looks like a woodpecker. I mean, come on.
1, 2.
Okay, there's not going to be anything in there. Oh, what did he smash into? What was that? Oh, he laughed. I don't think I've ever heard Woody laugh like that. That laugh. Okay.
And that's why I'm going to get
Wow.
rid of this woodpecker.
No. Wally's not in the wrong. I don't blame Wally. I mean, yeah, no. I love Woody, but go ahead, Wally. Do what you have to do. Because Woody was in the wrong there.
And for good.
Okay. Oh, he threw him in the water. Oh, wow. Oh, no, Wally, you're going to go in there. Get out. Run. Wally. Oh, everybody else. Everybody else fell into. Wow. So even when Wally wins, he loses. Wow, he destroyed everything. He destroyed the beach. Everybody's chasing him. Now you see why he wanted to beat him up. You see why he wanted to get rid of Woody. I love that Woody with that laugh. No, then I get it, because that laugh. And then when you laugh like that, that's going to make you even more angry. Wally was chasing him and everybody else. All right. Yeah, no, this was a great one. This was really good. I enjoyed it a lot. Such a good Woody Woodpecker cartoon. Yeah, and like I said, I don't blame Wally for being mad. I mean, like I love Woody, but I mean, he had it coming, honestly. I mean, yeah, all the things he's done to Wally Walrus, Wally's gonna get his revenge one of these days. He almost did, but not exactly, right? But yeah, no, this was awesome though. So please make sure to like, comment, subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one. Thank you.